So here's a new series I'm going to be starting on this Kioti LB1914 I got for a very good deal. Couldn't really pass up the deal here. I'm in western Pennsylvania. It lived in a garage most of its life. Just needs a few things. Mice got in this upper area here, chewed up some wires so it won't start. Motor's been redone. As you can see, it's still in decent shape. Factory paint. Do have a flat tire I gotta take care of. Looks like there's another hole in that one. It came with the blade, manure scoop, and also a 60-inch deck, along with a bunch of other parts and spares. So, I hope you follow along and let's get to work on this thing. It'll take a little bit of work, but be a nice, good tractor whenever I'm done. Might even swap that one out right there with a hydraulic upper, just so I don't have to be messing with this the whole time. Alright. Well, here comes the fun.